I want you to imagine something for a second. What if online shopping looked exactly like this? Instead of staring at a flat screen, endlessly scrolling down a boring list of static images, imagine your everyday internet browser instantly transforming into a rich, immersive, futuristic 3D virtual showroom. It's wild to think about, right?
Okay, let's dive into this because this first point is absolutely crucial. This looks like a game, but it's actually a website. Historically, if you wanted high-fidelity 3D graphics, you needed heavy local rendering. You had to buy a pricey console or a high-end PC, download a massive 50-gigabyte game file, and just sit there waiting for a heavy gaming engine to boot up. But today, you are literally just typing a URL in the exact same web browser you used to read the news, and boom, you are instantly dropped inside a fully rendered interactive 3D world. The contrast between traditional heavy gaming software and what can now run directly in a standard web tab is just staggering.
These immersive 3D showrooms are built from scratch using a remarkably lightweight tech stack. We're talking Three.js, standard JavaScript, Blender 3D models, WebGL, and interactive product visualization techniques.
So let's talk about WebGL first, because it's the foundational layer here. WebGL is the web technology that allows hardware-accelerated 3D and 2D graphics to happen natively and smoothly right inside your standard web browser. So when one of these virtual showrooms loads up, WebGL is the engine under the hood, ensuring that those complex, game-like graphics are rendering flawlessly in real time.
But here's the catch. WebGL on its own is mathematically heavy. It is highly complex to write from scratch. And that is exactly where Three.js comes to the rescue. Three.js is a lightweight JavaScript library that acts as a vital abstraction layer. Essentially, it's the magic bridge. It allows developers to manipulate those complex WebGL environments using standard, easy-to-understand JavaScript syntax.
Let's move to and see how this builds out the actual experience for you, the shopper. The user journey here is just entirely seamless. Step 1, a direct browser launch drops you instantly into the interactive environment. Zero friction, zero downloads. Step 2, you immediately meet your virtual AI robot guide. This guide can actually assist you, answer your questions, and direct you through the digital space, just like a real-life sales associate would. And then Step 3, you are totally free to explore the immersive product displays. You can freely walk around them, zoom right in on the textures, and view items to scale in a true spatial environment. It is a completely frictionless transition from clicking a simple link to experiencing total brand immersion.
And this brilliantly illustrates just how adaptable this concept really is. We're already seeing this exact Blender and Three.js pipeline being custom-built across massive industries. We're talking electronics, cars, sneakers, robots, luxury products, cultural exhibitions, museums, and entirely new virtual stores.
So, it's time to officially ditch that standard add-to-cart grid in your mind. Really think about the thrill of buying your next car or your absolute favorite pair of sneakers by actually interacting with a stunning digital environment rather than squinting at a flat web page. This is all about bringing the emotion, the discovery, and the physical thrill of real-world shopping directly to the internet.
Which brings us to the ultimate question for today's explainer. Would you shop in a 3D virtual showroom like this? Are you ready to finally step out of the static grid and into the immersive, spatial future of digital retail? Keep your eyes on this space, you guys, because the future of the web is looking a whole lot less like a page and a whole lot more like a place.